In today's video, I am going to show you how to post a job on LinkedIn in the correct way. Without further ado, let's get into our tutorial. First, make sure to log into your personal LinkedIn profile, and that profile should have the access to your company's LinkedIn page. In this menu at the top of your screen, you will find an option called For Business. Click that, and it will open a drop-down menu. From that drop-down menu, you will find an option called Post a Job. Click that. Then you get a screen like this, where you can add the basic information about the job vacancy you are going to post. In this row, add the job title. I am going to add job vacancy for a web developer. Here, add your company name. Here, add your workplace type. Whether it is on-site job, hybrid job, or a remote job, I am going to select remote job. And then add your company location in this row. Then select the job type. Whether it is a full-time job, part-time job, contract job, temporary job, or an internship. Then it's the time to add the job description. You can get the help of AI for that, or you can write a job description on your own. I am going to write a job description using ChatGPT. Let me show you how to do that. Just type "write a job description for a web developer" and click enter. And just wait until ChatGPT does its magic. Copy and paste the job description here. You can add a job description up to 10,000 characters. Here you can add skills you expect from the candidates. Click this preview button to see a preview of your job post. Click the next button. In the next screen, LinkedIn helps you to select the most qualified candidates. Here you can select how you want to receive your job applications. You can receive via emails or at an external website. If you want to receive via emails, add a preferred email here. Next, you can add screening questions you need to ask from the potential candidates. Now, the basic information about your job post is completed. Let's move to the next step by clicking Continue. When you complete posting your job on LinkedIn, you can continue it as a free post or set a budget to promote the job posting. Promoting your job post helps to get a top position in search results, prominent place in job recommendations, and sending mobile alerts to qualified candidates. Click Save and your job will be posted on LinkedIn. Once you have identified your top candidate, you can close your job post. Click this Close Job option and your job post will be removed from your page. That's the end of our tutorial on how to post a job on LinkedIn. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. We are more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching until the end.